Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I've got a lovely winter warmer for you. It's my mum's fluffy semolina pudding. Buttering the dish does two things. It stops the pudding from sticking, and it also gives it a lovely flavour. The milk needs to be warmed a little bit, not boiled, just hot enough to steam. And then we can add the semolina and the sugar. You won't need too much. I would say a couple of tablespoons at the most. Separating the eggs makes all the difference to this pudding. The yolks will make the pudding nice and golden and tasty and rich. And the egg whites are going to be fluffed up so that the pudding has a light, airy texture. The pan's been back on the stove now and heated until it comes to a bubble and thickens. Now it's important that the eggs don't turn to scrambled eggs, so adding a little bit of the hot semolina and giving it a good stir will help to rise the temperature of the egg yolks just enough so that when you mix it into the semolina, it mixes in smoothly and makes that lovely yellow golden colour. Now I thought, as I'm making my mum's semolina pudding, I'd whisk the egg whites the way that she used to. We did have an old-fashioned, really sturdy Kenwood chef that she used to keep in the cupboard, in its original box, under the sink. So it wasn't really worth getting the whole thing out, just to whisk up a couple of egg whites. I used to love the tap tap tapping noise of the knife on the plate. You could hear it from the other room and you knew she was putting something nice together. I remember my dad using this method as well to make an omelette, a nice fluffy one. He'd whisk up the whites, fold in the egg yolks and straight into the pan. So, back to the semolina recipe. Those nicely fluffed up egg whites go straight into the semolina and it needs folding in. Not too much because we don't want to break up the bubbles. This is what gives the semolina pudding its lovely texture. Just like that. Just pour it straight into the buttered dish. And even out the bubbles a little bit, so you've got a nice looking top. A little bit of nutmeg on the top. Freshly ground is always best. Let's hope I don't drop it in this time. And that's it. It's ready for the oven. It will turn a lovely golden brown. You can serve it by itself. It's lovely just like that. But I always like it with a good spoonful of my favourite jam. Fresh fruit is nice too. I have some leftover bananas here as well. It's always nice to have a slightly different texture to the dish. Looking forward to this one. I've not had this for years. Thanks for watching today. Have a great week and I'll catch you very soon.